Hi. Okay. Sorry, I'm still looking at the monitor because I'm lazy. A minute. Special. I'm cold. So, I'm good. Okay, let me get this read. I know this is probably boring watching me put on my coat, but I don't care. Yep. Of course, my sleeves are wet from dog drool. Yes, my dogs drool a lot. It's their weird obsession. Sorry. Okay. So I figured I may sing. Why? I don't know. Nor care. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna sing out obviously. You can't see it. Wait, Gleam! I curse you with a gleam. The fabulous gleam. The volume changed. Okay. Do you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, bass. Yeah, it's pretty clear. I ain't no size 2, but I can shake it like I'm supposed to do. I've got that boom boom that all the boys chase, and all the right junk in all the right places. I feed the magazines, working that bonus job. We know that shit ain't real. Come on now, make it stop. If you got beauty, then raise it up, 'cause every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. Your mama, she told me don't worry about your size. Up, show up. Boy, like a little more booty with more. Sorry. Booty. I won't be no stick figure silicone Barbie doll. Show up. That's what you're into, then go ahead and move along. Okay, I'm over. 'Cause you know I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, no trouble. I'm all about that bass, baby. I'm bringing booty back, going and telling skinny bitches that I wanna play how girl you think of that. I'm here to tell you every inch of you is perfect from the bottom to the top. I'm gonna stop your torture right now. Okay. I'm like looking at the monitor right now. So yeah. That was all about the bass by Meghan Trainor. I take no right to that song. All I claim is my voice, which sucks very, very much. But all the copyright, I don't know what to call it. All the rights go to her and her producers. I'm gonna leave what the credit thing down below. So yeah, peace.